Save money on hospital bills. Episode number 2, the Patient Advocate Foundation. Are your medical bills piling up and you don't know where to turn? You're not alone. Millions of Americans face this burden every day. The stress, the worry, it's more than anyone should endure. But here's the good news. Help is just a call away. The Patient Advocate Foundation is a non-profit organization dedicated to easing the overwhelming challenges of healthcare costs. Their mission is simple: to ensure that no one has to choose between their health and financial stability. And yes, they fight tirelessly for you. Imagine having someone untangle those confusing insurance claims or help negotiate those mounting bills. That's exactly what they do. Our trained experts work, case by case, to ensure you get the financial relief and support you need. It's not just assistance, it's life-changing advocacy. For years, they have helped thousands of Americans reduce their medical debts, access essential care, and regain hope. Whether it's intensive guidance on insurance or direct financial aid, the Patient Advocate Foundation stands shoulder to shoulder with those in need, ensuring no one feels alone in their journey. Dealing with healthcare costs shouldn't mean sacrificing your well-being. They step in where others can't, supporting you so you can focus on what truly matters, your health and your loved ones. When they help lift that financial strain, you're free to breathe again. Why struggle in silence when help is right here? Connect with the Patient Advocate Foundation today. They are ready to fight for the care you deserve, the coverage you need, and the peace of mind you've been longing for. Reach out now, because you are not alone.